Looking to download YouTube subtitles using DownSub? Before you try to use it, there is something really important you need to know about the site's current status. If you head over to DownSub.com, you might not get straight to a subtitle downloader. Instead, the site is currently behind a strict Cloudflare security verification screen. When you land on the page, you will likely see a "just a moment" message while the system performs a security check to protect against malicious bots. It displays a Ray ID and asks you to wait while it verifies you are a real user. Because of this security wall, we aren't able to show you the actual interface or walk you through the downloading steps, as we cannot verify its current active features. Furthermore, there are currently no verified user reviews or documented feedback sources available for this platform. This means we can't honestly tell you how safe, fast, or reliable the tool is right now. Our final recommendation is to proceed with caution. If you do decide to try DownSub, be prepared to pass through these security verification screens, and always make sure your browser's security settings are up to date. Have you tried using DownSub recently? Did you manage to get past the verification screen? Or do you have a different tool you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this honest update helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more transparent tech guides.